Have you ever noticed how it feels warmer standing in the sun than in the shade? Let's explore why that happens. The sun is our primary source of light and heat. When its rays reach Earth, they warm the surfaces they touch. In sunny areas, surfaces absorb the sun's rays directly, causing them to heat up. In contrast, shaded areas are blocked from direct sunlight, so they remain cooler. This is why you'll often find that it's warmer in the sun and cooler in the shade. Our bodies also feel this difference. Standing in the sun, we absorb more heat, making us feel warmer. Moving to the shade provides relief as we escape direct solar heating. Curious to test this yourself, place thermometers in both sunny and shaded spots. After a few minutes, compare the temperatures to observe the difference. Understanding how sunlight affects temperature helps us make informed choices, like seeking shade on hot days to stay cool. Thanks for joining us in exploring the science of sun and shade.